Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that users of iMX6 ULL boards running Debian-based OS may encounter. The problem arises when a USB hub, specifically USB 2514, is connected to the USB bus, and the system takes longer to resume from suspend mode when two devices with the same VID and PID are connected. After some investigation, it turns out that the OS resets the USB devices upon wake-up, causing the delay in the resume process. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. By adding the USB_quirk_disconnect_suspend USB quirk, you can prevent the OS from resetting the USB devices on wake-up. This small tweak can significantly speed up the resume process, especially when multiple devices with the same VID and PID are connected to the same bus. This simple solution can make a big difference in the overall performance of your system when coming out of suspend mode. In summary, we've tackled a common issue faced by users of iMX6 ULL boards with Debian-based OS and USB hubs. The problem of slow resume from suspend mode due to the OS resetting USB devices can be solved by adding the USB_quirk_disconnect_suspend USB quirk. This simple adjustment can lead to a faster resume process, particularly when dealing with multiple devices sharing the same VID and PID. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. See you next time.